Welcome to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making a brown sugar glazed ham. Let's do it. Lovely ham. Roughly about a 10-pound ham is good. Show you what we'll do with that ham. Take the ham out of the package here. Full recipe and description. Okay, a little ham lesson. So this is a shank end ham. The reason I like the shank end is because they have a little less bone. You only have one bone running through, so it's just a easier ham to cut. That's what I like. What we'll do is we're gonna score the ham because we're gonna glaze it, so we want all the juices to get in there. So just kind of score it up. Score the other end as well. Yeah, we're just kind of scoring the skin there. So you don't have to go super deep or anything. So, and of course we're going to go kind of the other way, go one way and then the other way. Try to keep the same line, of course. Other side. I think we're good. So this ham is like pretty much fully cooked. So all I'm going to do is reheat it pretty much. So it'll take roughly 325 for about an hour and 15 minutes. Ham there, okay. And I put it face side down into the pan. Just put a little bit of water on the bottom of the pan to help the ham out. Yeah, so we're going to preheat our oven 325, and then I'll show you what we'll do for the ham glaze. A saucepan, kind of a medium-ish heat. Toss some brown sugar in there. 1 1/4 cup. That was 1/3 of a cup of orange juice and 1/3 of a cup of corn syrup. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. A little bit of that. Gonna let that all dissolve. It is going to be quite thick anyway, so we're just going to kind of heat it up till it almost comes to a boil, and then you're good. Some lemon juice, about a teaspoon or so. I'm just going to add a little bit of lemon zest. Oh, good flavor. Oh yeah, and you can use orange zest as well. Lemon zest is good. Looking pretty good. So you just want to take it to it almost comes to a boil, and then so just as long as everything's dissolved, we're good. And make sure you taste. So off the heat and put it aside. You can use that later. Toss the ham in the oven. Nice looking ham. Wait an hour and 15, and then we're gonna start glazing it. Ham. Glaze our ham. Brush all the gooey stuff on there. We're gonna kind of do this every 10 minutes. Oh, perfect. Get it all in there. Glaze them up. Great holiday ham. Great ham anytime. I love ham. Back in the oven for 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes you pull it out and do the same thing again. That was stupid. Glazing it for the second time. Oh, it's looking good. Make sure you don't touch the pan. It's hot, you know. Lovely glazed ham. Back into the oven. Glaze our ham one more time. Oh yeah, looking good. It's gonna be a good ham. Be ready in 10 minutes. Ooh, nice ham. Back in the oven, and then we can enjoy some beautiful ham. Our ham is done, so we'll take it out. Oh yeah, beautiful. Oh yeah. There's our beautiful glazed ham, looking good. Carve it up. Give it a try, right? Carve a good chunk off there. Glazed ham. Okay, let's give it a try. Give our ham a try. Looking good. So good. Perfect. Holiday ham. Hoping you enjoyed the ham. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love that. When Easter or Thanksgiving or Christmas come around, make some ham. It's so good. Use this recipe. It's killer. I just like to make ham any time of year, so I made ham in June. Whenever you want to make ham, make it. It's so good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.